Hi guys, Lindsay with the Scrap Room here. Today I've got a real quick video for you showing you how you can change the colors of a PNG design using Canva's free online design program. Now typically with an SVG or vector design, you can easily select a specific color and change it to a different specific color. But when you're working with a PNG design, which is a raster image, it works a little different and it's a little more tricky to change the colors, but it can be done. To change the colors of a PNG design, you'll need to edit it using color corrections and adjustments. I'm going to use this set of wings today for an example, and I've already got my workspace open in Canva. I've got two copies of the exact same wings here to start out so that you can see the difference between them as I go. To change the colors of your design, select the wings that you want to edit, and then click on Edit Image. And then from there, click on Adjust. You can play with the temperature, tint, and lighting, but then scroll down a little bit and you'll see more color options. You can click on one of the colors from the color palette that it shows you and play with the sliders underneath until you achieve a look that you're happy with. To download, when you're all done and you have it the colors that you want, go to Share in the upper right-hand corner and then click on Download. You do need the Pro version to download it on a transparent background, but you can use the wings that you've altered in the design program with your photo to create your final image and then download it with a solid background when you're all done. The wings I used in this video are from a set of 100 different designs that you can find the bundle in my shop. I'll drop a link in the description if you'd like to take a look. But thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to pop them in the comments below, or you can always send me a message. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.